Hey guys, Rips again here. So in the previous video we managed to locate which column we're gonna be working on and then set the date, obviously. So now let us go ahead. Since we found the column, let us go ahead and find the row or the time, if you will. So this section, so when I say time or row, as you can see, this table is identified by time. You see all these rows have a time tag on it. It's called schedule. So let us identify what time, because to make a booking you need to select the time in which you want to book, and then everything it's in here, right? So if it's 9:30 like this, we have to find the row in which 9:30 is at. Alright, so let us go ahead and find the time. So to find the time, element main table. So I already have a table object. So this one here, and then let me just sleep. Right, so obviously, like we did with the column or the therapist name, we're gonna do the same thing, because our schedule is gonna be in a list format. So web element main rows main table dot find elements by technique. Right, okay, what's the error here? This one here. What am I doing? Okay, so meaning, so to explain what I'm doing here, this TR elements, these are all the elements that I'm gonna loop through, as many as they are. So you might find out that the 9:30 or the 9:30 that I'm looking for is this one, you see. So I have to loop through all them and find this one to know which row number I'm gonna be working on. So let me just go ahead and do it. So let me initialize again. So I already have a target column. So to get the target row, I'm gonna do the same thing. this one dot size. Right, so time slot dot get attribute so it is the same thing because we have to compare if it contains if time slot here contains time from our data sheet, right? And if it does, then target row equals X, and then we break. Right. So here we need to click click we need to click that cell identified by row and column, right? So we go ahead and say main page dot get table link, so main table, we give it a row and a column. So this is the table column, and then target row, not table column, target column. And then dot click. Right, so if you want to see what this method does, it gets the table, the column number and the row number, and then it clicks that cell. No, it returns that cell number, so it's gonna return you that cell number, and then as it returns it on my side, I click it, right? And then let's wait for it to load and then sleep for around 2 seconds. Okay, so our test now consists of 3 types of bookings. So the first one is booking, edit booking, cancel booking. The 3 that I did. So this one is add booking. Let's go ahead and add a booking. All right. So adding a booking is identified by the string name bookings. So if this scenario equals, in no case, bookings, this one here, if it's booking, then let's go ahead and methods dot wait for element main page client name. So the client name that I identified here is this one. Let's wait for this one, and then we're gonna set a value on that client name object. And then we're gonna pass to this client, right? And then we sleep and then so as we search like this, we need to click on the result. We click here, so click element, I called it client result. So you search for it and then you click it, and then that's it. And okay, so what we need is to select this guy, right? So if our therapist is this one here, we have to go and select them here, right? So method that select from options, so so this string therapist is this one here, and then this one just goes and selects the beautician, and then we just need this method. Let me just go ahead and create this method. It's a simple method which is a select dot select by visible text, and then right. So it's a simple method. So let's go ahead here. We just need to select on that option by therapist name. So that's it. And then method dot click element. So after that, we just click the booking button, and then let's go ahead and sleep. Wait, and then wait for the table to reload. Alright, so we managed to locate the time or the role, as you may, and then identify the beautician and the row number he's in, and then select that beautician and make a booking by clicking the button. So I'm gonna end here for this tutorial. So we have an error here. Okay, complaints. No. Here's my error. Okay, now that's fine. This is it for this tutorial, guys. I will see you next on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Constructive criticism, I'm not a pro, but anything that will help me help you, I'd really appreciate. So that's it for this video. I will see you next time on the next video. Bye for now.